Hey sailors, welcome back to Cruising as Crew. We are in Gibraltar today and we're going to go to the top of the rock.
Hello sir, looking to go up to the top?
So to go to the top of the rock, like the most common thing to do is take the cable car, but this guy has just said that it's a 2-hour wait to take the cable car and then you have to queue up and it's just a bit of a faff. So if we go on this minibus tour, it's €40 per person and you see caves, there's a light show. We're going to go up to the top and see the monkeys anyway, and you're also in a nice air-conditioned bus and it is about 37 degrees at the moment, so air conditioning is absolutely welcome.
You're
Leaving, okay. Let's go. This is Josh. This is who we'll be going with today.
Hello. Can't wait to see the monkeys.
Yeah!
We are bilingual, we speak English and Spanish. When we speak Spanish among ourselves, we mix the two languages. It's a dialect. We learn English at school, and Spanish we take as a foreign language. Sí, aquí no tenemos sillas.
We've just got off at our first stop. And what did he say?
So this is where the Mediterranean meets the Atlantic, I
Nice.
believe. So you can see the two. There's a load of like shipping vessels,
Right.
container vessels. So obviously this traditionally and still today is used for means of shipping all over the world. Like that over there is Morocco. This is still Spain here.
Ah, wow.
Here is
So that's
Morocco.
okay. So that's Spain.
Still Spain, Straits of Gibraltar, and then into Morocco.
Wow, that's so cool. Pillars of Hercules. Wow, that's cool. And we're right in the centre of everything. Ah, there's a monkey. There's a monkey. I can see it already. Off it goes. First monkey of the day. Tickets.
Here we go.
Right, so we've had a little look at the views. I'm going to get back into the minibus. I have no idea which one it is though because
Activities came from Spain, forced launches, jumping on the submarine, people were detained, and then they were prepared as an emergency hospital, but it was never used. And today, apart from many tourist attractions, it's a theatre.
see the ship down there. Let's go. Very busy up here. Yeah. Ah yeah, so this is the sign for the monkeys. Don't touch, don't feed, food and bags, no surprising.
They turned the majority of the cave into a hospital during the Second World War, which was never used.
Oh.
We have scanned QR code in here.
Wow. It's crazy. Wow. These must be natural, surely.
Yeah, they are natural. The excavation beneath our feet isn't completely natural.
Oh, of course.
We call this the Angel of St Michael's Cave. So just the way
looks
that
like-
they've naturally formed, almost looks like wings and a body, and they projected that head onto the bit at the top.
Yeah, wow. That's so cool. Amazing light display.
Oh yeah, there's projectors coming from every angle imaginable. And when we get into the next bit, you'll see the projections on the walls as well. It's stunning.
Wow. Okay, so they've made this bit into
Theatre.
theatre. Is this to watch the light show?
Yeah, so we can sit here for the light show, but they also have other productions in here sometimes.
Oh, that's really cool. You really do have have to watch your step though because it is super slippy. So we have just sat down. I think there's the light show that happens every 8 minutes and it lasts 4 minutes. So we're just waiting for the light show to start. That was really, really good. Like, really enjoyed that. Surprisingly more than I thought I would. There's a lot of steps, which is why I'm a bit out of breath because I'm really unfit. Yeah, there's a lot of steps up, so just be aware of that. And it is super slippy, oh my god!
Okay guys, first car, we carry on.
You are cool.
So the apes, they were brought to Gibraltar by the British from Africa in the late 1700s, and the military used to look after them before, where they used to keep 2 groups with around 40. When they were born, they were named after somebody special, somebody from the royal family, a politician, or even a well-known actor. Now they are protected by law. They form themselves into 7 groups with just over 300. The technical name is Macacus sylvanus. They come from the Barbary macaque family. They tend to live between 20 and 25 years. Observe the difference of color of the sand on the beach on the left and the beach directly below.
Woo, nice. Oh shit, okay. Ah! Okay, so you can see below you. Wow.
You can feel the wind.
Oh, look at your hair.
Needed that.
Yeah, it's super hot. Ah, yeah, look at this one coming towards us. Hello. Hey, dude.
Hold on to that, just in case.
Oh my god.
Hello, Mr. Monkey Man.
People said they're really aggressive,
No,
but
they're
he
not.
seems quite
They
chill.
are super chill, just you don't touch them. Unless you've got food in your hand, you don't want to try and interact with them.
Okay. Hey, dude. He looks comfy. Can I? Oh god! Yes! He's so cute.
That one's looking at you. Pretty cute too.
Look what the monkey did to me 4 years ago.
Wow.
She opened the car doors into the hangar room. Donde veis
Hanging
el
off the
jardín,
side of
a la
the
derecha del jardín
cliff.
es la residencia del
Jesus.
gobernador. Se llama el convento, fue un convento de franciscanos durante el tiempo de España aquí. Y delante el muro de la fortificación.
Oh my God.
Ahora se puede apreciar cuánta tierra se le ha ganado el mar.
Hey, baby! Ah! Oh my god!
Patrón, no, patrón, no.
Jesus! So he was just saying in the car as we were coming down that because there's like 2 ships docked today, it's really busy. And I mean, as you guys can see, it is really busy. But Josh did this a few weeks ago and he said it was a lot quieter. So It's obviously better to do it when
Yeah,
it's quieter,
definitely.
but like it's still really cool. I still really enjoyed it. There's home. Ooh. The road to Spain from Gibraltar runs through the middle of the runway. Wow.
Seems ridiculous.
It is a bit ridiculous.
It's almost like train crossings in England.
Yeah. Full of knowledge.
Wow, I've done this once before, so I'm just repeating.
Well, thank you for
what I've
sharing
already
it with
heard.
us.
No, it's my pleasure.
Josh works with me in the shops, by the way. I haven't even told them who you are.
Yeah, so I am a watch specialist on board. So I find Swiss watches with another gentleman called Tiago. And I've been on the ship for about 3.5 months. It's my first ever contract, and it's really exciting. And we have some cool destinations like this one.
Cool. My name is Lucy. It is my 100th contract on a cruise ship.
The wall and the bottom, the gate. Right, Lamport Gate.
I have a question.
Yeah, yeah,
So
cool.
if you come up here on the cable car,
Yes.
do you have to walk
All this.
from place to place?
From place
So
to place.
everywhere that we've driven, you have to walk.
You have to walk.
Right. Okay. Cool. And you have to pay for entrance.
No.
So-
One ticket covers everything.
Oh right. Okay. Cool.
If you get the basic, covers everything. Is it?
Okay.
That's Gibraltar.
Why just go on?
She asked why it's a tax haven.
Well, it's not a taxi. We pay tax here.
Okay.
Here in Gibraltar, for example, a company pays 10% income tax. Where in the UK they pay 15. That's why you get many of the betting companies. Yeah, honestly, here you cannot go to the bank or whatever with £1,000 cash, and they say, well, where is this coming from? Yeah.
Okay. And so why is it tax free on consumer goods?
Not all consumer goods.
Okay.
It's tax free on groceries and things like that.
Yeah.
And sometimes the government remove taxes on things, but not now it's gone back to what it was before because of the money wise. You know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that was great.
Brilliant.
I definitely recommend.
We finish here, okay?
Yeah.
We finish here.
Yeah. Amazing.
Another question for the thing now.
No, it's all great. You've been amazing. Thank you so
Brilliant.
much.
Thank you so much.
It was great.
Appreciate it.
Woo. So this is the botanical gardens. This looks lovely. But yeah, really good tour. I would also recommend doing that instead of getting the, where's the cable car? Instead of getting the cable car. Well, it's completely up to you. I'm lazy, so it was quite nice that we got chauffeured around in a nice air-conditioned van from like place to place, from the cave to the monkeys. Whereas, like he said in the van, if you get the cable car, you have to walk to each venue.
Yeah, well, each stop along the way. So all of those bits you would have to navigate yourself. So with the tour guide, it does make it much easier. And the great thing is that he gives you like an oral history of the area,
Yeah.
which you're not going to get otherwise. So I think in terms of supporting the economy and supporting those guys that are really knowledgeable about the place that they live and love, it's more interesting. And I think that's probably the better way to experience it. And the aircon makes a hell of a difference.
The aircon was the best part of it. No, I'm joking, but seriously, it was great because it is hot. Ooh, cute. Cute bridge. But yeah, so the tour took like, how long was it? About an hour and a half?
Yeah, about an hour and a half, hour and 45.
Yeah, which was, to be honest, more than like, it was enough.
Yeah, you got all the information you
Yeah.
needed in that time.
Yeah.
It would have been shorter, but for the congestion. So because there was 2 ships and it's so busy, it took a little longer than it did last time I was doing it. But still great, learnt a lot. Tour guide was brilliant, just like the last one.
Oh, and it was 35 euros each. Pounds or euros? Pounds, I think.
Pounds, yeah. You
Yeah.
can either pay in pounds or euros. So if you pay in euros, it's 40 euros, or they charge you 35 pounds.
Ah, right, yeah. So I paid £35.
So of course, depending on your currency that you use with your bank, obviously we're English, so it made more sense to pay in
Yeah.
pounds. But if you have a European card, it'll make more sense to pay European. And the exchange rate at the current time, dollar versus euro, is pretty much 1 and 1. So $40 if you're American or
Yeah.
Canadian.
per person. So yeah, not too bad really, because I think the cable car's a bit less than that, but
yeah, but
you have to walk everywhere and you don't get any information. You literally just get the ride up to the top. So
and you don't get the entrance into the nature reserve.
oh, you have to pay extra
Yeah,
for
so
that.
this is €15 on its own, so that's included in the price. So you're essentially paying 25 for the minibus tour in euros, and then €15 for the nature reserve band. So €40 in total, or £35.
Oh, yeah. Oh, cool. So guys, I think I'm going to end the video there because obviously we've done the tour now. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, Josh, for coming with me and being on my video and letting me film you.
Hopefully see you guys again.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, but thanks for watching, guys. You know what to do. Press like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye.